Welcome back, my friends. Welcome to another section. And last time I said that we are going to create the login and registration, but we have one more important thing to do here before doing that, and this is a blog post. So when you click on the particular posts, that should be the single blog post, and we should design this thing. So it's more HTML markup than it is styling, but we still need to do it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just close everything here from the last time. So I'm going back to the resources, and let's say here we have this landing page, profile page. I'm just gonna let's copy the landing page and put it blog page.blade.php. Now this blog page, what we actually do, we do need the, let's just zoom out a little bit. We do need this container fluid. We do need the navbar, and when the navbar ends, we don't need the hero section. So the header, we don't need it. We don't need the sidebar. We need the main content, but you need to delete everything that's in the main content and just leave the main content as it is. We don't need these add footer. We need, let's save it, go back to web.php. So here we're gonna create a route called blog, or you can say post, whatever you want. It's gonna be single block, and we're gonna link this one to reference to blog page. And I'm gonna save it. Let's zoom in a little bit, zoom in like that. Now go to this part here and say blog/blog, and here we go. We don't have anything because even in the main content, blog content should be here. Now we should put something here. So that's pretty much what we need to do. Now what I'm going to do is going to start doing the markup here. I don't need this web anymore. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say here, I'm going to create a post container or block container, whatever you want to call it. Make it meaningful. And now also it's a good idea, block container, to put comments where it ends and where it starts. That's the most logical way, because somebody else will look at your project, and for example, I don't want to do this, it's time waster, but when you do it now, it will be very much easy for someone else to look at the code and to see what's going on. Right now I'm going to create a row here in this container here, row. And also I'm going to create another class called post image. So you should know that here I'm just going to call img src, and I'm going to leave it like that, empty. For now, I'm just going to say class post image, and I'm going to say style. We're going to style it that one later, and alt block main image. So if I save it now, I should see block main image, and that's the alt tag because we don't have nothing in the src part. Now this is done. You can make a comment here saying this post image container ends. Very good. Now we can copy this one, put it here, post image container start. Always make a space between them. Right now we are inside the post container still. What I need to do is, now I need to create, before that I've just noticed that I've missed something. So this img, I'm just gonna cut it from here, and I'm gonna put it in a call md12. So that means that this image will occupy 12 columns. So it will occupy the entire space that we're gonna allow. Now that's it. After this call MD12 is done, what I want you to do is here we need to create another class called MD8, and also let's put it offset of how much? 2? Yeah, 2. And another class post image, and this will be for the author. This will be for the author. So inside here I will have a div. So, and this shouldn't happen. It should be div, right? Div, and this should be. So probably let's just go back. Now I need dot here. Sorry, just Control Z everything, and now I will have this div class with column. So because I didn't have the dot, that's why it created me element with name column MD8, which doesn't exist, by the way. Now, what I would like to do is here I will create another class with post image author, and I will say image container here. What's happening? I was just looking in the other screen and I didn't see what's happening. Now I'm sorry guys. Underscore author image, and I will say container. Now inside here I will have another img src, and just gonna leave it blank, and I'm gonna say alt, and here will be author image, and I will have a class called post image image author. Come on, what's this with the pluses? Double underscore here, author img. Very good. Now we're done with this part. If I save it, you're not gonna see anything, just you're gonna see the author image here. That's pretty much it. Now after this div, you can write it post container. So post author container ends. Very good. And you can put it here, post author container starts. Image should be image container. Let's make it more meaningful. Now after that one, so after this div, so what I want from not from you, what I want to create is another class with post image, and I need double underscore author name. I just want to grab the name of the guy that create the this post. So I'm just gonna put my name there, and another div after this one we will say, I'm just gonna copy this actually here and say author date, and I'm gonna say 15th of September 2022. Very good. I'm ahead of time. Now I think we are done here. Now this we haven't named it. You can say post author image. Make it like this. Make a comment saying ends, and you can copy this one here, input it on top, just with tap a little bit, start. Now this markup took a long time, right? So but it is what it is. We have to do it, guys, because we don't know what's gonna happen next. And so now we are done with this. So I'm just going out of the, where is it? So post container, post image. So I think we should stop here, and next time we should continue working on our project. So not much, we haven't done much. So we have created this part we haven't done much, but next class I promise we will do much more, but we still have a lot of HTML markup here. And we need to do a comment section. We need to do a lot of things. And that's pretty much it. So see you in the next lecture. I hope you enjoyed this one. We haven't, as I told you, done much, but let's hope that in the next lecture you will enjoy the content more. So take care and see you in the next one.